going to do an ATP test before this rug is cleaned. I'll try to dig underneath the surface of the fiber and on top of the fiber, get as much contaminants as possible, but get down under the rug to the bottom. Okay, now what we're going to do on this is very low moisture clean, but we're going to use some new products. The Just Gone system has carpet cleaning products that have cleaning agents, plus it has chlorine dioxide in it that kills viruses and germs. And we'll see how low of a count we can go. So we're going to do a pre-vacuum on this rug, where we're going to test it. And I vacuum it once ready, and it just keeps getting super fine dirt particles and sand. So I'm going to vacuum both of these rugs and then use the products and see how low of a count we can get. So I pre-sprayed this whole rug just like that. I didn't soak it. Doesn't need to be soaked. And this microfiber pad will pull all the dirt off. Let's see how much dirt's on this little spot here. So on a rug that's this thick, like a shag, airy rug, or even wall to wall, the big problem is when it's just gone over quickly with the vacuum, you get into the fibers little. But with a machine like this that's oscillating and a microfiber pad, it's really pulling on the fibers and getting way below the surface. With an 80-pound head like that and a microfiber, it really gets down below the surface. And what happens is it kicks up stuff even after I vacuum. It's kicked up a lot of debris that's down in this carpet. So it's bouncing it and doing a much deeper job. And the cleaning product that we're using can kill viruses, germs, and bacteria. Carpet's dry and cleaned. I'm going to try to get the swab under the fiber. .52. Let me test this carpet. And again, instead of just going on the surface, we're trying to get down into the fibers. See what else we can swab off of here. 16. Let me get another test for the tile, clean the tile. Over here. I'll do a swab test on this backing, which was soaked for 2 days with the Just Gone System products. There are areas that are still wet. It's not fully dry. So I'll go in an area that's dry that had a yellow stain. Here's a stain that had urine. And again, I can't get down below the surface. So we'll see if there's any reading of any kind of a bacteria. Okay, the reading's below 30 on a rug that had urine spots. It was vacuumed. Both sides were extracted just on the surface, but you can see there's no light units indicating any organisms, dead organisms, bacteria, germs. So the cleaning on this area rug, that shag rug, it was soaked on the backing and surface for 2 days before it was extracted and vacuumed. And then also the tile is a new product through the Just Gone systems for carpet upholstery. It's a very mild pH, can be used on any type of a fabric. It's CRI certified and it's hypoallergenic. And it cleans, plus it'll kill germs and viruses and bacteria.